Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Clarity Blue auto adjusting glasses. So, in this case, you might be wondering what is Clarity Blue glasses here. Now, Clarity Blue glasses are eyewear designed to filter blue light from screen, lighting, and digital devices. Now, according to the official websites, they feature blue light filtering lenses, an anti-reflective coating, scratch-resistant lenses, and a lightweight, flexible frame. Now, the company says they are designed for use at home while traveling or during leisure activities. Now, the glasses work by using lens filtration technology that selectively blocks blue wavelengths. Now, the website says this reduces the amount of blue light and screen glare reaching the eye. It also claims that this can help with eye fatigue, headaches, and support natural sleep pattern by reducing blue light exposure in the evening. Now, how to exactly use these glasses here? Now, according to the website, to use them, you just need to simply put the glasses on when using computers, tablets, smartphones, or television. Now, the website also recommends wearing them in brightly lit environments or under fluorescent lighting. Now, during the evening, they can be worn to minimize blue light exposure. Now, when you're finished, store them in a protective case and clean the lenses with a soft, lint-free cloth. Now, those are information that you can get here in their website. So if you want to learn more about it, you can go ahead and visit them. So, in simple terms, Clarity Blue here is designed to be worn during screen use and bright light exposure, with lenses intended to filter blue light and reduce glare. Now, as of this moment, if you try visiting their website, currently the glasses itself is priced at around $32.75 from the original $69.90, and they do mention free worldwide shipping here, as you can see right now. So, if you want to buy it, you just click on the buy now button here and just proceed on filling out the necessary details. So, this details includes like the package option here and also your payment details and your delivery address. And it works like any kind of shop out there. So yeah, if you're interested with this product here, or since this is an eyewear product related to vision, consulting an optometrist or qualified eye care professional is recommended if you need prescription vision correction or have concerns about your eyesight. Now, if you do have some concerns about their product, you could also reach out to them via their contact details in their website. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.